5/26/21, we have a daily update, midday update. We're going to start with NASDAQ 100 because that's very important. And yesterday we had a little bit of a negative day. Stocks didn't continue the breakout. Today, during the mid update, right now, the buy signal is increasing and it's getting more momentum behind this index. That's on the NDX. Now, the comp. NASDAQ Composite has got a nice bid and its buy signal. Remember, these were deep sell signals over here. And now we're right up toward yesterday's high and we haven't taken it out. Remember, mid-morning update, very, very, very important. Here's another one that's important. And I'll just tell you how important it is. The SOX index, semiconductor index, did not continue the breakout yesterday. This is what's fueled this market higher, and today it's somewhat flat to down. The SMH intraday, same chart, no continued breakout. Semiconductor, NVIDIA reports earnings this evening after the closing bell, and that could fuel this bull market rally even further. This is the midday update. We can take a look at where the futures market are. They're up toward their high, NASDAQ 100 futures. We can put this on a 60-minute level, hourly level, and we could see that we could not take out resistance in the NQ futures that move markets. S&P 500 futures, we hit a high on the hourly and we came down, and we have yet to go up through the hourly resistance in the S&P ES E-mini 500 futures. On the Dow futures, the YM, big 60-minute bar down. So we're starting to see a little bit of top down, and we couldn't take out these 60-minute resistances. And this is just the mid-morning update right now. There's 2 hours left to the closing bell. So we're going to continue to watch the momentum in the futures in Q, the S&P and the Dow, and then we're going to see how stocks can hold their gains in this rally. One of them that's done really well today is the Amazon, but we can see the 60-minute top right up here, and he comes down 60. So these are reversals when we look at some of the leadership stocks. They're just simply pullbacks from really big runs on the 60-minute charts. There's Google, Melly, which we featured earlier. It finally is doing something. It too is floating up here at resistance. There are lots of strong ones. TTD, very strong on the hourly. And once again, the Russell 2000 index has done quite nice. We featured, and this is it right here. That's the rut right there. And if you really want to know the truth, the other one that you can look at is that TNA that we covered earlier. That is the small cap bull 3X doing quite well. So the markets aren't ready just to come down. We have momentum behind us now. And it is at the end of the month going into a calendar weekend. And we've gotten this big bull rally. I've been walking all of you through it day after day here, keeping your spirits up. Listen, all you have to do is click on that link and get in the free trial, and we can talk about your situation, what you want to do, what some of the challenges that you have been having, what the volatility does to you when it's there. Right now, we're doing good in the market compared to a week ago, as all of you know who have been following me from around the world. And today, though, we're starting to get some weakening in the futures market. So if we're going to get weakness in the futures market, then prices can pull back even more. Okay, and it's at the end of the month, and people want to come in. Remember, it was only a week ago when this market was cratering, and the bear was totally in control. Now you got the seasonality rally that we talked about, and it's here. This is the 60-minute chart. You know, big, large cap tech, inflation's on the back burner. That TNX is at 15.79, hit a low of 15.52. So once again, that is not an issue. Dow transports are up nicely today. We can see the 60-minute breakout right here on the transports. Now they have come down with the broader market. So we're starting to see that. And what we're looking for is there going to be profit taking. Once again, mid-morning update, just take the free trial. There is going to be a lot more new volatility coming, and you can get really whacked in that volatility. You know what I'm talking about.